I'm gonna take you with me as I make these 5 meals that I ordered, and we're gonna review if it's tasty. That's what I care about right now. I care if it tastes good. I'll worry about my health later. That's not good. Hey YouTube, it's Lish, all raw and uncut, and not singing for you today. I'm actually gonna do a review of EveryPlate. It's a meal delivery service, and I have done Home Chef in the past, like a year or 2 ago, and it was chill. I wanted to try this one, because this one is cheaper. And from what I've heard from many reviews on YouTube, it's very tasty. And I don't have any dietary restrictions right now, other than I avoid pork. So I want to try it out. Why is it so tough? $5 a serving, and you could choose from like 3, 4, or 5 meals. So let's see what's in the box. Gravy lovers meatball with roasted garlic, mashed potatoes, and green beans. So you're right there. Okay. Secondly, I got honey ancho chicken with roasted zucchini and garlic butter mashed potatoes. Yeah. 3, I got roasted lemon, chive, chicken legs, and garlic mashed potatoes, and some sort of carrots. I'm not gonna say that word, I don't know what it is. Garlicky white sauce flatbreads. If you can't tell, I love garlic, so. And I'm probably gonna use more garlic than what they tell me to. And lastly, lemony asparagus and tomato linguine with Tuscan herb cream sauce and Parmesan. So this one's vegetarian, got no meat, but I love pasta and I love linguine, so we should be good. I'm gonna catch y'all when I start cooking.
5 minutes later.
All right, what we cooking first? The pasta is calling my name. I'm going to the pasta. The pasta is calling my name. We're gonna go with pasta. We're gonna start with the lemony asparagus and tomato linguine with Tuscan herb cream sauce and Parmesan. I'll put all the rest of these in a Ziploc. Alright, so now I got my 4 other meals neatly placed. Step 1, bring a large pot of water with salt to boil. Wash and dry all the produce. And zest and quarter the lemon. I don't know about zest, because I don't know if I have a zester. But I'm gonna do everything else. Wanna get to know me. Wanna get to know you. If we take a ride, you and I, put the car in drive. Okay, don't judge me, I don't have a grate, so I'm just gonna peel it a little bit with my knife. Oh, see, that kind of works. It's gonna take a while. This is hard work to zest a lemon with a knife. And probably pretty dangerous too. Do not do this at home. 10 minutes. And you gonna stay there, because no one told you to fall off the countertop, okay? The asparagus cut up, we got the tomatoes cut up, we got the quartz pieces of lemon, and my lemon zest attempt with the knife. Over here we got the linguine we just added, and we're gonna let it go for a good 10 minutes. I totally forgot about the garlic, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do the garlic real quick. I tell you to slice it thinly, but I have one of these from my Haitian mama. And so I'm gonna mash my garlic. Linguine. 2 minutes on the clock. Now they have me melting 2 tablespoons of butter. Still have a little leftover oil in there from the asparagus, but I don't mind. It's all gonna go in the same pot at the end of the day. Add the tomatoes, the Tuscan heat spice, salt and pepper. Cook, stir, blah, blah, blah. Cool, let's do that. Y'all didn't see that, okay? Okay. I'm gonna put the camera down because I can't do this with y'all. So apparently my phone is low on storage, so it just stopped recording out of nowhere. But basically this is the final product, except I took half of it out already because I plated it to try. So actually this is a good size. I could definitely pack this up and have a full lunch tomorrow with this. So this looks really good, smells really good. I'm gonna taste it. Let's go. Definitely really lemony. Probably that lemon zest coming through. Asparagus is good. Cooked very nicely. Tomato's good. Oh, that's good. Salt and pepper. Yo, this is great. Okay, like I love it. Rating. I give it a 9 out of 10. Only reason I give it 9 out of 10 is because it is a vegetarian dish. And so if I wanted to make it even more like amazing, I'd probably add chicken or some sort of protein. But besides that, it's easy to make. Like I feel like I barely spent time in the kitchen. Fast, easy, flavorful. I wanna get my second serving now. But I'm gonna try to wait. We're gonna see. I might just eat that second serving tonight and go on and move on to my new meal tomorrow. Cause it's good. And I had some sort of, there was a promo code. I forgot, this Google promo EveryPlate or something, because I got all 10 servings here for, the total was like $28 and some cents. Okay. We're gonna move on to meal number 2. Until then, bye.